Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we are going to make a really simple, small, and easy 2-to-1 connector with some XT60 battery plugs. This will allow us to take two battery packs and parallel them together into one single connection to connect to whatever device you are powering with your batteries. Obviously, I still need to change this connector, but when these are both XT60s, then this coupler will work. We're going to parallel the connection, which means we're going to hook each positive from the battery together and each negative from the battery together, so positive to positive and then negative to negative. This is going to allow the batteries to have one single voltage, whatever voltage the batteries are, in this case 11.1 volts each battery, and then they will effectively double the amperage. You'll get the amps from both batteries. So we have 2200 milliamp hours on each battery, so we'll get 4400 milliamp hours at 11.1 volts. Now it's going to be real simple the way we're going to put the plug together. We're going to use some double stick tape. I've already put a piece on one of the plugs here. We will stick these two plugs together, use some 12 gauge copper wire in order to jumper the negative to together and then the positive together, and then we will place this on top and solder this in place. Boom, effectively making super tight and compact 2-to-1 adapter, and then we'll wrap it all up in some heat shrink tubing. Alright, let's go for it. Awesome. Okay, let's cool down enough. Look at that. Oh man, that turned out good. This looks super easy. Okay, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, bell to turn on notifications, and share, share, share. Sharing is caring. Yeah. Happy hacking. Sweet. Well, if I had the right plug, I could totally plug that in there right now. Does it?